Hi guys, Shavontedill here, welcome back to my channel. I look crazy, I have a mask on my face. I know it's the best way to start off a video, but we move. So I have another wig video here for you today, yay! If you want to see how I applied this wig, then keep on watching. So to get started, I have a wig from AERYN21WIGS. It got sent to me in PR, but I'm so excited, this wig looks amazing. This is the box it came in. It's so cute, oh my god. It says best love, the most beautiful but the first sight. Yeah. But this wig, like, packaging is the best packaging I've ever received. I'm not just saying that because it got sent in, but because it's literally the best packaging I've ever received. Like, how cute is that? Like, so cute. And they also sent me some little observer packaging, which is basically like some hair care for wigs. So it's like conditioner. I think it's all conditioner actually. Let's get right into this wig. I'm literally keeping that box, it's so cute. But this little baggie here. And I got a curly 16-inch wig, I believe. Or is it 18? 18. I got a curly 18-inch wig and it's Afro kinky curly and the texture is silky. The cap size is size 1, which means the circumference is 21.5 to 2.2, and it's just a lace front wig. They gave me this little thing as well, which basically, I don't know if you guys can see, basically explains what the wig is all about and what size I got, which means I don't really have to go back online and check. This is what the wig looks like. Really cute, really full as well. You can tell this is a good wig, and that it's not going to thin out, because I hate when wigs thin, especially curly wigs. It does shed, curly wigs do. So this is going to stay full for a very long time, so I'm really happy with that. The lace is thin as well. You can tell it's thin, which is good. It doesn't look pre-plucked though, so I'm gonna have to go in and do quite a lot of plucking. It has 3 combs as usual. It has a what you call it? Why am I losing my mind today? A wig band, not a band, but elastic. That's what I was looking for. And it also has the things to clip it on, which is really cool. I've never seen that before. I'm still quite new to wigs, guys, so bear with me. But I mean, that makes it so much easier, so I don't have to sew it in. But this is what the wig looks like on the inside. So there is quite a bit of lace. I believe it came with, I took it out of the box. I'm positive it came with 2 wig caps as well. You guys know what that looks like. So it came with 2 wig caps, but I will be putting a wig cap on my head this time. Yeah, but you guys will see that. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm not showing you my braids because it looks a hot mess. Like literally a hot mess. I've had these braids in for like 3 months. I like re-braided it, but it still looks a hot mess because even those have been in for like a good month now. So I got the wig cap on. We're gonna do a wig cap install today because I did one for my friend the other day and it looked really good. I'm gonna be using the ghost one as well. So I'm looking elsewhere because I'm trying to find my ghost one. Like, where did I? It's really behind me. We're going in with the ghost one, and we're also going to be using this new olive oil Fix It Super Hold spray. Like, I've heard so much good things about this, so I'm putting this literally over my forehead. So we're going to be covering our brows with this wig cap. All right. We're going to pop a little hole in this little piece here. Oh shit, got a little ladder. I need to get new freaking scissors because this shit is crap. Like, it's not even cutting anything. Fuck's sake, bro. I'm gonna go in with this instead. We're gonna go in with our Got To Be spray, and we're gonna start spraying that literally just where the hairline is. that's just how we do it. Alright, now we're gonna go in with the scissors and cut this off. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow razor. Just do what I do with my wigs, just cut these bits off. I'm hungry. Every time I film, I forget to eat. Oh my god. What time is it? Oh, it's only 10. It's fine. It's still breakfast. And then I'm gonna go back in with the spray, like I usually do, and just kind of mold these edges down. I might just use my finger actually. Just pushing it down. Best I've ever got a wig cap to look, so I'm pretty proud of myself. Like, what? I'm gonna go in with some powder, and for the powder I'm using this NYX No Filter powder. This is in the shade Golden. I'm just gonna get a brush real quick. I'm just gonna use this brush from Yas Glass Cosmetics, and I'm just going to apply that to my big old bowl head. Alright, so I'm not doing too much making it look natural because obviously I'm going in with my airbrush legs water resistant Sally Hansen spray, and that'll make the wig blend into my scalp or my wig cap anyway, so we're just trying to like make it blend a little bit. But I'm going to go back in with the alcohol and just make sure I don't have any leftover makeup or spray residue on my forehead before I go in with my wig. You gotta be careful not to lift the wig cap at this point because this alcohol is strong AF, and as soon as you get too close to the edges, it will lift. Okay, guys, got my wig, and now I'm going, I feel like I'm wonky. And now I'm going in with the Airbrush Leg Sally Hansen spray, and I'm just gonna spray it literally on the lace. I'm gonna get the Got To Be spray after that and just basically spray on the lace as well. This is just so that it holds and it dries quicker because that spray is really oily. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did put some foundation on because it was looking a bit light, and I just used a NYX brush, this one right here, just to apply it. I'm just waiting for that to dry, and then we're gonna start applying the wig. And I've got my Ghost Bond right here. I'm hoping that it works because I used my friend's one and she got it from Amazon just like me, but every time I use this shit is so sticky, like so sticky. But we're gonna use it anyway, and we're just gonna apply it like back here and hope for the best. I'm praying that it just comes out really good for me today because I don't want to take my wig off. So like I said, I'm just gonna apply it literally on top of the wig cap, just a little bit on my skin. I was talking with my YouTube in the background, but I'm waiting for it to get clear. It is pretty much clear, but I want it to dry a bit more because this shit gets so clear so fast. I'm gonna let it dry a bit more, and then we're going with 2 layers, and then we're gonna apply it, and we're gonna do these side bits last. Now the glue's dry, I'm just applying the wig. Cut this middle bit just to make it easier. I just realized I keep trying to talk and I've got the fucking YouTube in the background. Oh, what's that hair there? I'm just gonna go in with my glue, and now I'm gonna do the corners. Alright, babes, we're gonna cut off the lace. Like, I have work in an hour. Do you see what I look like? What the hell? We're just gonna cut this off. Do one side on here and one side on TikTok. And then we're good to go. I wanna have to do it quickly because I got to go. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my olive oil Fix It Super Hold Spray. I'm just gonna spray this on my edges. Try not to spray too much. And I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer and just dry it. Okay, and then I'm gonna tie down my edges. And I just use an elastic band to do that. I'm just gonna go in with my spray bottle. I would have originally done this part last, but I'm doing it backwards because I have work. And I need to get going like bad. I'm just getting the brush, or the comb. I'm combing it out. Just make sure there's no knots before I go with the denim brush. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my hair coconut food mask. This is from Garnier Hair. I'm just applying that all over. I'm gonna go in with some Texture It My Way, Keep It Curly, Shea Butter and Olive Oil Mousse. This is what's come out of my hair, by the way. You can't really see it really, it's not much. But curly hair will shed. And then I'm just gonna brush it out. I love brushing curly hair. Like this. Alright, I'm gonna have to film the second bit when I come back from work because I'm gonna have to do baby hairs and all that, but I don't have time to do that right now. So I'm gonna see you guys in a hot minute. Peace out. Okay guys, I'm back. My hair looks so full, but this is how it gets when it's dry and I've like barely put any products on it. I could have put more mousse on it to make it like more, you know, but I kind of like it like this. It looks really nice. It looks really natural. My edges need something to make it look a bit more blended. I was looking at a video from Erica J and she said lace tint really works because this is, I think it's transparent lace, I'm not really sure, but I mean it's really light around the edges and that's what a lot of transparent lace does. But I don't have lace tint, so I was trying to look at some DIY lace tint because I'm not about to spend like 30 odd pounds or whatever, how much it costs on a lace tint. And there was this video, I'll link it down below, but she basically made her own lace tint with some dye. It was a door dye, but I couldn't bother to go get that either because I just finished work and the shops are closed. But it's just brown hair dye, and then she put some salt in it just to take out the brassiness of the dye, and then some water, which I was gonna do anyway, but like I didn't think of the salt bit, so I'm glad I watched the video. So I'm scared this is gonna lift my lace, but when Erica J did it, it didn't. So I'm just gonna hope for the best. I really don't want to spray it on myself, so I'm gonna get a hair dye towel. If anyone dyes their hair, I'm sure you guys have a hair dye towel. But I'm gonna put this around myself. It has like, oh, I literally just did my friend's hair the other day. Both my friend's hair. I used this, oh shit. So I'm gonna like spray this on the lace. Tint it. Ooh, seems to be working. Because she said basically it's better to do it when your wig's on. So, of course, that's what I'm doing. Oh, it's working. Like, I think. Bro, that works. All right, now I'm gonna dry face because I don't want that all over my face. Then I'm gonna like tie my hair back again with my elastic. It seems to, I'm hoping this works because this is gonna be a new thing for me. Thank God for Erica J. She is a lifesaver. I'm gonna get my blow dry and like set it because I want it to dry quickly. I don't got time to waste. Alright guys, let's unravel this. I'm hoping that this is flat, laid, tinted, all the above, and my lace is not lifting. Because I blow dried that for a cool minute. Oh, periods! Look at that. Alright, still could be. No, but I mean, that's good. I could deal with that. That looks good. Is it lifting? Guys, look at that. Period. Period. That shit's stick. Okay, that bit's still not. Okay, we'll leave that to dry. It looks so much better. But to be fair, I think it's just my skin that's a little bit light, because from wearing wigs for too long, my skin looks a bit light. So that's my skin right there. Wow. I need to get like skin protectant for wigs. I should have pushed my wig back a little bit forward, but I put it back further so you can literally see that. But that's good. I'm gonna show you the products I use, but it's Wella. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the Wella hair dye in the shade 4R, and it's called Cinnamon Brown. I just put a little bit in there, quite a bit, and some salt. I put quite a bit of salt in there as well. I'm trying to like show you by measurements, but obviously you can't see. And then the rest was just water. All right, I'm gonna go in with this. And then we're gonna go in with our baby hairs using our mousse. The same one I used earlier, which is Texture My Way. And I'm using my edges brush. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do my other baby hairs off camera because this is fucking stressful, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Just a quick review of the hair. I love this hair, period. Like, this hair is one of the best curly wigs I've ever received. Like, the lace melted easily. As you can see, it tinted really good as well. Like, you can see there's no lace. Like, lace has disappeared, it's gone. No lace, period. The hair, the curly hair, it looks so good, it looks so natural. Like, I went to work today and I was like, was that your real hair? Well, is that your real hair? Because I swear since I worked there, I've not had my real hair out. But yeah, it looks so good. And I'm so glad that I did that lace tint. Like, period. That lace tint was the bomb. This hair is so nice. It's really soft. I mean, it sheds obviously because it's curly hair. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. I have nothing bad to say about it so far. Nothing bad to say about it. Like, it washed really good. When I washed it, barely any hair came out of it. I did save it, but then I think I went back and threw it away by accident. I'd highly recommend, highly recommend this wig. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to get a makeup tutorial of this look, I posted it on TikTok, so you can have a look there. But let me know if you guys want to have a little tutorial on here, and I'll post it on here too. I have now got an upload schedule, finally. It will be on Fridays, most definitely, and then I'll do a random video if I have extra to upload on a Tuesday. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see future videos from me, and press the bell notifications if you want to get notified when I upload, because I will be uploading now, guys, Fridays and Tuesdays. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.